Now, having a dashboard is kind of the icing on the cake, isn't it? Everyone wants a dashboard so that the leadership can have a high-level leadership view, and that those who are involved in different layers or different parts of the organization can see their perspective through Excel. So in this example, we show a dashboard connected into PowerExcel and how it all ties together.
Okay, now here we are looking at the corporate dashboard. The idea is that all the workbooks tick and tie, but also that leadership can see their numbers at a macro level. So in the dashboard, we have filters for corporate entities, regional cost centers, versions, that is the actuals and forecasts, periods at a quarterly level, and finally key accounts like gross profit to net income, the revenue. Now in the examples in our video series, we've been looking at the revenue forecast for April in ANZ. So let's filter the dashboard on the forecast, quarter 2, and revenue. And even with these filters in place, we'll still be looking across all entities and all cost centers. Okay, now lock this number in your mind. ANZ joint ventures is $333 US.
Hey everyone, I'm looking at the corporate P&L, but it's just a sea of numbers right now. Owen said to look for 333 revenue for ANZ joint ventures, right Owen?
Right, Jacques.
I'm getting better at working with PowerExcel. If this works the way I think it will, I'll need to work with my filters first. So filtering to reporting currency, which is in USD. The period that I want is Q2. Okay, the forecast looks good. I need to look at ANZ data only, so I'll change the filter on the cost center. Pressing F9 to get the data. Okay, let's walk across the revenue line to joint ventures. Oh, there's the 333 US dollars. I see that for 2020, forecast 1, ANZ. So long as I'm looking in the right place, that is joint ventures with the proper filters set, this ticks and ties quite nicely.
Hi all, just quietly listening into the call. Stay, I want to try this as well in my regional report. Let me follow what Jacques did and get my filters right. Changing measure to reporting currency. My other two filters seem good. Need to change the account to revenue. Pressing F9 to get the data. I don't see Owen's number. What's going wrong?
Okay, Yaka, remember that the dashboard is showing quarterly totals, so you might need to filter on Q2.
Doink, of course, 1 sec. Changing the period to quarter 2, pressing F9 to get the data. Okay, there it is, under ANZ and joint ventures. Pretty cool.
Okay, my turn everyone. Okay, so I need to look at the yellow area because this is the roll-up of ANZ. I need to change my measure to reporting currency. I'm pressing F9 to get the data. I'm still not seeing 333 for the ANZ revenue forecast. I'm going to try a quick trick that I saw Jacques use a while ago. Maybe it'll work. Quarter 2 is April, May, and June. Perhaps I can change the tag to quarter 2 and pull the number through. Damn, I'm good. Woohoo! There it is, 333 US dollars. This is too good to be true. I just have to see this one more time. I want to change the number to see if it goes all the way to the dashboard. Do you think it'll work?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, from everything I know, I need to enter my number in a local currency, putting in a big number and pressing F9 to share. Flipping to reporting currency, we want to see 53662 in the dashboard and everywhere else.
Checking in my regional view now, pressing F9 to get the data. Yep, there it is.
My turn, everyone. Checking the P&L, pressing F9 to get the data. Very cool.
All right, crossing my fingers. Let me refresh the dashboard. I see that the ANZ bar has become very large, and there it is, 53,662. Yeah, this is a way better way. I've been looking for something like this forever.